Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of data structures, those essential building blocks of computer science. Let's explore some of the most common ones and their applications. First up, we have arrays. Arrays are like containers that hold a fixed number of elements of the same type. They're great for storing data in a sequential manner and allow for easy access using indices. Next, let's talk about linked lists. Unlike arrays, linked lists are dynamic and allow for efficient insertion and deletion of elements. Each element or node contains data and a reference to the next node in the sequence. Moving on to stacks and queues. Stacks follow the last in, first out, LIFO, principal, while queues follow the first in, first out, FIFO, principal. Stacks are great for undo functionalities and expression evaluation, while queues are perfect for tasks like task scheduling. Now, let's explore trees and graphs. Trees are hierarchical structures used for organizing data, such as file systems or hierarchical data representation. Graphs, on the other hand, represent networks or relationships between objects. And lastly, we have hash tables. Hash tables provide fast access to data based on keys using a hash function. They're commonly used in database indexing, caching mechanisms, and language runtime environments. And there you have it, a quick guide to mastering data structures. Understanding these fundamental concepts is crucial for designing efficient algorithms and systems. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. See you next time.